ventilation, or how we breathe, first begins by understanding Boyle's law, which is P1V1 equals P2V2. This means that when the volume is low, the pressure will be high, and when the volume is high, the pressure will be low. The pressure outside our body, or the atmospheric pressure, is slightly higher than the pressure in our lungs. So like everything else in the body, when something is high, it wants to go to where it's low. Our diaphragm will contract along with the external intercostal muscles. They actually relax. This allows the rib cage of our chest to expand, and because of the pressure difference, air from the outside is pushed into our lungs. When we exhale, the diaphragm relaxes and returns back to this upside down bowl shape. Our chest goes back down and the air moves out, because if you remember Boyle's law, when the volume decreases, the pressure will increase, and it becomes higher than the pressure of the atmosphere outside. And air wants to move out and follow its pressure gradient until the intrapulmonary pressure, or pressure in the lungs, equals the atmospheric pressure. And because of elastic recoil, the lung is able to expand and return to its normal shape. And in order to keep the lungs inflated, the intrapleural pressure is negative and acts as a suction. If there were no pressure difference, there would be no suction, causing the lungs to collapse. Now, as you can see, the diaphragm plays an important role in breathing. The diaphragm contracts and relaxes by stimulation from the phrenic nerve. This is the primary nerve innervated in the diaphragm. It originates from the neck, more specifically C3, C4, and C5 of the spine. You can see right here. And it goes all the way down to the diaphragm and stimulates it. This is why an injury to your neck can be deadly, because by stopping the whole pulmonary ventilation process, which is essential for life. Now this shows our trachea and a bronchial tree, and all the way down here is the alveoli. This is where the gas exchange occurs in the alveoli and supplies oxygen to our blood. As you can see right here, oxygen goes in and carbon dioxide goes back out into the alveoli, and then it moves along, and then it supplies oxygen to our tissues and takes out the carbon dioxide and goes back into the heart and starts the process all over again. And this is pulmonary ventilation.